Hello dear viewers, a very warm welcome to our channel. It's very good to have you here. In this video, we're going to have a look at how to test the status of your battery. Well, basically, there are two types of batteries that are used in cars today. One is a maintenance-free or sealed type battery. This is a maintenance-free battery where there is no opening for recharging electrolyte. So that is a maintenance-free, and this one is a non-maintenance-free. This can be maintained. For this type of battery, the status of charge can be checked by simply opening the vent. This is a vent plug. You simply remove the vent plug and then use a hydrometer to measure the specific gravity of the battery electrolyte. Because this type of batteries require some sort of maintenance, you have to check the state of charge, the specific gravity of the electrolyte, and you have to also measure the electrolyte level. Electrolyte level can be checked. Right here, if you see, for example, these lines indicate the height of the electrolyte. This is the upper limit, upper level of the electrolyte, and this is the lower limit of the electrolyte. Simply by looking at the level of the electrolyte, if the electrolyte is below the lower level, you have to refill it with distilled water. You don't have to add acid. It have to be kept with distilled water only. If it is below this level, you have to fill it up, and that is how you check the status of charge and the electrolyte level. Usually when the battery is getting charged, the water will be splitted and hydrogen will vapor out, and the hydrogen, when it is being charged on your car, it will be vented by this vent. This vent plugs, there is a tiny vent hole on all of them. If you watch closely, there is a tiny vent hole that is used for removing hydrogen. Hydrogen will be released as a result of the chemical reaction that is going on when it is getting charged. But if you are charging this on a portable or wall-mounted charger, because this passage is not enough for removing that massive hydrogen as a result of a large charging rate, you have to open and remove the vent plug. So you remove, open, and keep it like so. Whenever you are charging with a battery charger, you have to keep it like so. You have to keep them all opened. But if you are using a car alternator for charging, because that is not deep charge, these only tiny holes are sufficient. So this is how you inspect the state of charge of your battery. Always remember, open circuit voltage can be sometimes misleading. For example, if your battery is reading 12.4 volt on open circuit, it is discharged. It is like it has 75%. The level of power is like 75% if it is 12.4. If it is above 12.6, well, that could be a fully charged battery, but open circuit voltage can sometimes be misleading. The best way of checking the state of charge of your battery, if it is this type of battery, is to simply open and measure the electrolyte specific gravity using a hydrometer. And whenever you are measuring a specific gravity, always remember that this is density. So density is affected by temperature. If there is an extreme temperature variation from room temperature, you have to readjust and calibrate the reading value depending on the temperature value. And most modern batteries are now becoming maintenance free. They are sealed. They are sealed because the chemical reaction inside this battery is not gassing that much hydrogen. That is the main difference. The type of material that is used in this type of battery will generate massive amount of hydrogen and water will be splitted. That is why you have to add water frequently. But when it comes to this type of battery, these are maintenance-free batteries. They are assumed that they have sufficient electrolyte level for the entire life of the battery. This can last from 3 to 5 years. All batteries, if they are kept properly, they can last from 3 to 5 years. And the main difference is on maintenance-free batteries, the chemical reaction is not releasing that much hydrogen, so there is no need of venting the battery. That is why it is totally sealed. Now, there is only one thing that you can do on this type of battery. If it is rechargeable, then recharge it. If it is dead below the lower limit, you have to replace it. Now, how can you figure out if the battery needs charging? How can you know the state of charge of your battery? There is an indication right here. There is an indication hole right here. For example, if you see down there, this one is indicating white. And in order to figure out what exactly it means, you have to go and look at the legend. Legend is usually indicated on the battery top. Look, if it is green, for example, right here, if it is green, this is in good condition. So when you watch down there, if you see a green color, it means the battery state of charge is good. The battery can be directly used. But if it is white like this, it needs charging. On some other batteries, if it is clear and if it is white like this, you have to replace the battery. But on this particular battery, right here it says if it is white, it needs charging. Then if it is red, then the battery is totally gone. You have to replace the battery. So this is a state of charge indicator. Always remember, this coloring, usually the green one is common for almost all the batteries, but these two colors, they can be interchanging for different batteries. They can mean different meanings on different batteries. So make sure that you are using the one that is attached to your battery. For this particular battery, if it is white, the battery can be recharged. For example, on this battery, you can see it is white, it needs recharging. So this is how you can identify the state of charge of a maintenance-free battery. Well, there are some things that you need to do in order to prolong the service life of your battery. Some of the things are always keep the battery in a charged state. If you are going to store your battery for a long period, make sure that it is charged. So don't keep them discharged for a very long time. Same thing applies for this type of battery also. Long discharge is very deadly to your battery. Always keep them charged. And batteries are highly susceptible to damage if they are exposed to extreme temperature. Make sure that your battery is kept in a cool environment. If you are parking your vehicle, make sure that you are parking it in a shade. Temperature can really damage the battery state of charge and battery electrolytes and the plate itself. So make sure that it is not exposed to extreme temperatures. So these are some of the things that you need to consider when it comes to checking the status of charge of your battery. And when it comes to connection to the car electric, always make sure that this connection is clear and make sure it is free of corrosion. If you have somehow some type of moist stuff that is going on, if you have some type of sludge build up in here, you can wash it off with water. You can clean it with sandpaper, but the very best method if you don't have that sandpaper is to simply wash it with water. That deposit that is covering these terminals and the lugs that are connected to this battery, you can clear them by simply washing. You can simply use any water, you can wash it off. So always make sure that they are perfectly tight. Loose connections can also be damaging to the terminal post and to the battery itself. So always make sure that the fit is very snug and make sure that you have clean surface. This terminal post, they should be very clean. And after cleaning, you can apply a little light of grease or some type of Vaseline in order to prevent them from reacting and oxidizing. If it is oxidized, you can simply wash it off with water. So that is the best alternative. If you have a connector that is oxidized, that will insulate and that will generate resistance and electrical conductivity will be reduced, you can wash it off with water. So these are some of the things that you need to know when it comes to checking the status of charge of your battery. Well, that is all we have for you on some things that you can do in order to check the status of charge of your battery. If you find this video helpful and if you enjoy what has been presented, and smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. You will be updated and you will be notified whenever we come up with another video. Until then, stay safe and drive safe.